So I want to differentiate each of the following functions with respect to x. Okay, so just a recap that you have learned the derivatives. If you have not forgot, just watch my previous video. So let's look at question 1.1a, right? So y equals to 3x plus cosecant x. Now the derivative, if you're going to find dy dx, the derivative of 3x will just be 3, right? So remember that if we differentiate x to the power of n, this will just give you power going in front, power drop by 1. Okay, so 3x basically x will go power 1 will go in front, go to the front, and then you end up with nothing. And the derivative of cosecant, so remember there's a co, so this will give you minus cosecant x cotangent x. So you really got to memorize this. Okay, for part B, you notice that part B is not so straightforward. There's actually a derivative of two functions, so you can see that there are two functions here. So you recognize that this will be u, this will be b, and dy dx, right? Basically what we're going to use here is we use the product rule. So you're going to use the product rule because you can see that there's a product of two functions. So du dx, we differentiate u, keep b, plus a derivative of v, which is a minus sign, which is the derivative of 2x multiplied 2x multiplied by the derivative of cosine, which is negative sine x. Okay, and get my answer to be 2 cosine x minus 2x sine x. Now basically, if you forgot, this is basically my du dx, right? This is my v, this is my u multiplied by dv dx, and all I'm using is the product rule. Okay, let's look at c. C is basically tangent x over x. So you can see that here there's a quotient that we are looking at, which is like u over b. Okay, so in order to do this, let's look at just differentiating dy dx. Remember, we're using a quotient rule. So quotient rule, dy dx will basically be du dx multiplied by v minus dv dx over u multiplied by u over v squared. So with this in mind, du dx will be secant square multiplied by v minus dv dx, which is 1, since the derivative of x is just 1, multiplied by u, which is secant square. Oh, sorry, u is because u is just tangent x. Okay, sorry. See, I also make careless mistake. Okay, very funny. Okay, so this is just tangent x over x squared, and with that, you have your dy dx to be x secant square x minus tangent square x over x squared. And we are done with question 1.1.